Well, I'm back testing out recording, and if everything goes good, this is gonna be our game. I'm testing out everything just to make sure it's all working. I haven't even said it. Oh, what? More money. Let's go get some. So, I can open up a spot for tapping slime. Read this. Holiday meeting and see what's going on right now because all these lions are hungry. I'm just here to get them I think I've got myself enough plots. We're now just gonna hang up a piece of decoration. Case. Ports. They aren't gonna be worth as much, but I do need the money to open up those tabbies. I can get maybe some of them so far. Purchase. Okay, we want people getting restless. A stony hen. That one good. Yes, 3 stony hens. Alright, I'm gonna go out looking. Gonna catch me some tabby slimes. Go grab any chickens if I find them. Or I could grab some rock slime. Oh, ow, stop! Okay. Okay. I need to grab heavy slime eventually. Look right now. Now. Oh frick, there it is. And it blasted. Chickadoo. Chickadoo. That could be problem. There's a pod lock. I'm gonna need a research field. Oh no wait. Port. On. Poor slime was so scared. I do need some phosphorus slime. I'm going to quickly return to a ranch, drop off stony heads, and then now and pick up. So yeah, Largo wood, but eventually build a farm or bush. Oh, I need bush. I'm gonna grow poker fruit with, but whatever it's left for anyway. Let me chicks. Let's keep enough. Yeah. Rockport threat. I'd acquire 4 of those guys. I need 1 rooster. Oh. Phosphorus slime. Won't get any port yet. And pink slime, I don't need more of these. I ate everything down here. That's the only reason I can get. I don't think I can set it down for me, but I will grab it. Hollow area. That's all the phosphorus slimes. Hit.
I think I'm gonna watch the Disney Doctor Who special again. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry you're upstairs.
It's fine. Sorry, just my mom interrupting. That's my mom. Saying sorry for interrupting. Alright. Flamingos. I got the Toga signs. I need roosters. This button's danger. And I see why. Okay, you know what? I'm retreat. Retreat. I think that's my best tactic. Retreat. I'm going to deal with that Gordo slime eventually. I need more. Oh wait, it's in the floor. I can. Let's do some research into slime. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you get a jetpack in this game. Eventually. I'm gonna go ahead and retreat back for now. Dump my floors. Oops. Did I just lose a chicken? One chicken. Yeah. At 11 minutes. Oh, crap. Fortunately, I think I could say mission failed. I don't know. We'll get them next time. They're too young. Let me see if I can set up L. Oops, incinerator pond. Go and check on things. I don't think everyone's birthday yet. That's why. I need to grab Rooster today, so I'm gonna go. Have a carrot. Get they're hungry. Carrot for everyone. I'll save that for Tabby slime. Wait, this drill. That's what I need. Perfect. And perfect. Oh, crud, it's got me now. Get it back here. Oh boy. I'm dumping the pink plort, tabby plort. Come on, you crazy kiddo. Get back in there. Oh crud, they're all breaking out. Get them out. Get them out. Get back in your cages. Ow. Dang, slime. I think I sent too many in here. You want food? Eat. Eat, you all. Eat. Definitely right now. But at least I'm producing food because I'm feeding them the favorite food. Ow. I'm gonna afford some upgrades, like an auto feeder. About time I did anyway. Crap. Still functioning? We still good? I think we're still good. So, I'm just checking to make sure my software is still running properly, you know. I have no idea. Oh wait. Move crop. Yeah. Good. Let me check Highwall Spring Grass. I'm gonna buy it. I could use that. Cash boots. Good to know. Let me check. I will buy a jetpack because, well, that's gonna be sprinting. For now, I'll just hold off so I can buy one more plot, more fidget, one more corral, so I can stick tabby slime. Because I will need to buy more. Exchange. I'll need to wait for that to get back up and running. Land to explore. I'm going to pick up all the money I can get my hands on. And read through some of the entries, eventually. Oh crap, they're after them death. Like, they're almost beating the chicken. Throw them out. I'm in the wrong zone, aren't I? They already in the... I'll check if it's mail or something, but I think it's just... Carrots and hardy beets. Definitely gonna grow some hardy beets soon. Oh, front of the tabby! Oh god, chickadee. And grab that tabby. Wait. Oh, that's just from it. And I'll just check right here. Got all I need from this spot. Hold on. I think we have a loop problem, that big black creature we saw earlier. Those things are trouble. Fire. Boy. It's some chaos. I'm grabbing tabby slime. I'm not going in there. Ouch! And it's danger because, well, there's some locals here like them who will pretty much. Oh! Stop it. Eat! Eat your cow! Oh! Right, ow, 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 ow. Not now, I'm kinda in the middle of the field with. Ouch! I'll open this up. I can get through, but well, currently I don't need to just yet. Anyway, I'm gonna retreat for now. Turn back to home base. I'll see you later. Anyways, you know, just thinking. Back across the bridge, which is a safer route than what I took. At least I'm healing. Yeah, I'm not quite sure I even can pick it up. Except with a jetpack, of course. Casey. Good to know I'm getting emails from all my neighbors. Oh, there it is. Go slide. I'm retreating for now. It's already 1 o'clock p.m. I guess. I'll grab a plastic slime later. I just got myself a gold port. This is worth a lot of money. Run, run, back to home base. Run, run, back to home. You can also pick up back home and deal with it. That's how you safely deposit. Sorry, wrong item. Go for it. Like I said, worth a lot of money. And I'm just driving prices down to the higher ornament cost. Enter ornament. I'll just stick it right here. Perfect. Garden versus 30B. This is what's gonna grow here. On. I'll have to grab some tabby slimes after I take my mail. Victor Hum. I mean, yes. Professional. Yes, yes. Miss West. Sorry, informed you. Said eliminating what you can expect from menacing former legion. Like. Yes, yes. And alright. Reverse you handsomely. Yes, that's also my favorite farewell. Being a feral book slime. I very much love to be able to play it again. I'll keep an eye out. I've included something from right over. That's good. Now, off to go grab a tabby slime currently. So. The gateway breached. Just need to grab myself some new tabbies. Oh, I just find this passed because apparently I missed it. I'm getting all the hands I can. And they are wanting to beat those hits. Give a gourd. Let's do. Tony hand. Let's probably grab that. As soon as I feed Largo. Tony hand is my favorite meal. But... yeah, I'm gonna need some energy improvement. Now the sun sets, I return back to the ranch. Let me just check. Well, I think as soon as I get back, that'll be it for today. And I'll see you all later. Again. Alright, see that my slimes are getting antsy. And stop sucking it. Give me your meals. Great. We get an escape. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today. I'll see you all next time. Bye.